Hello, boys and girls. Feeling really good today. Just got a haircut. You know how a simple haircut can make you feel better? That's what's happening. I got a great story for you today. We're going to talk about matter. And let's start off with this. Anything that takes up space is made of matter. Anything that has some mass is made up of matter. Teddy bears, crayon box, watermelon, rocking chairs, every wall around you all have mass and take up space. That's why they're all matter. So everything in this picture is matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Look around your classroom. Everything you see is made of matter. Some things you cannot see are made of matter. The air around you has matter. Matter is made up of very small parts. You can use a hand lens to take a closer look at things. Properties of matter. All matter has properties. A property is something that you can observe with your senses. Some properties of matter are color, shape, and size. Mass is a property of matter. How something feels is a property of matter. Is the brush hard or soft? Is the cup smooth or rough? What colors are the pipe cleaners? This clip is blue and silver. This clip feels smooth. Do you think the sponge is heavy or light? Does it float or sink? Whether an object sinks or floats is a property. What are the states of matter? You know that everything around you is made of matter. The three states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. A solid is matter that has its own size and shape. Solids take up space and have mass. You can use a balance to measure the mass of a solid. The box and the things in it are solids. Each thing has its own size, shape, and mass. These are all solids. Paintbrushes are solids. What are some properties of this paintbrush? Crayons are solids. What are some properties of the crayons? You can use a ruler to measure solids. Notebooks are solids. Liquids. A liquid is matter that does not have its own shape. Liquids take the shape of their containers. Liquids take up space and have mass. Water is a liquid. Pour water into a jar. The water takes the same shape as the jar. Oh, I got different jars here. I like that teddy bear one. It's kind of cool. One way to measure liquids is to use a measuring cup. The amount of space a liquid takes up is called volume. Say volume. Volume. Gases. A gas is matter that does not have its own shape or size. Gas takes the size and shape of its container. Gas always takes up all the space inside its container. Gas can change size and shape. Gas has mass. The bubble is filled with gas. Gas takes the size and shape of the bubble. These balloons are filled with gas. Gas takes the size and shape of the balloons. Look at the size of that bubble. Breathe in. Breathe out. The air you breathe in is made of gas. Does anyone know the name of the gas that we breathe in? Oxygen, good. What about the gas that we breathe out. Carbon dioxide. You guys are doing really good. How can matter be changed? Matter can be changed. Different matter changes in different ways. You can change the size of matter. You can change the shape of matter. You can mold clay to give it a new shape. You can fold paper to give it a new shape. You can tear paper to change its size. You can bend a pipe cleaner to change its shape. Mixing and separating matter. A mixture is something made up of two or more kinds of matter. Matter is a mixture. Matter in a mixture does not change. This fruit salad is a mixture. You can separate a mixture to see its parts. Suppose you separate the fruits in this salad. Each piece of fruit will stay the same. Look at the pictures. One mixture is made with sand and water. One mixture is made with salt and water. There are different ways to separate these mixtures. You can let the matter sink. You can let the water evaporate. Mixing with water. Look at this mixture. It is easy to see the sand and the water. Look at the cup on the left. It has a mixture of salt and water. Look at the cup on the right. What happened after the water evaporated? Just the salt. Liquid water is poured into a plastic tray. The tray is put in a freezer. The water will change to ice. How can cooling and heating change matter? Water is matter. Water can change. Suppose the temperature of water is below 0 degrees Celsius. The water will freeze. The water will change to ice. Ice is solid water. Water can change from a gas to a liquid. Water as a gas is called water vapor. Water vapor in the air touches the cold glass. The water vapor changes from a gas to a liquid. Tiny drops of water form on the glass. Rain will freeze if the air temperature is very cold. Water on these leaves change from a liquid to a solid. Heating matter. Heating can change the state of matter. Heating can change solids to liquids. Heat can change liquids to gases. Ice and snow melt when the air warms. Solid water becomes liquid. Heat from sun evaporates water. The liquid water changes to a gas. When you boil water, the liquid water becomes a gas. This gas is called water vapor. Heat changes other matter from solids to liquids. Butter melts when you heat it. What are some ways that you can melt butter? Grilled cheese. I love grilled cheese. All right, I hope you enjoyed matter. We will explore more. It's going to be a great day, boys and girls.